In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT doing affiliate marketing in 2023. The first step is to write on Google ChatGPT and click the first website. Then you need to click here on try and create a free account. Once you have access to ChatGPT, you're going to be able to write questions. For this video, we're going to promote this course, Freedom Accelerator. As you can see on the screen, these are the lessons. This course has 4 phases. Phase 1 is getting results as fast as humanly possible. The phase 2 is traffic ecosystem leads on autopilot. Phase 3 is increasing conversions, and phase 4 automations and scaling. If you want free access to a masterclass about this online course, you can click the link in the description. The next step is go to Quora, and we're going to find some questions that we can answer with the help of ChatGPT. Here we can choose any questions. How can I do affiliate marketing in the right way? Is affiliate marketing profitable? How do I become a successful affiliate? We're going to choose this one. What we're going to do right now is copy this question, then go to ChatGPT, paste the question so we can have our answer. And as you can see on the screen, ChatGPT is writing the answer that we need. We are going to copy this answer and then we're going to paste it in Quora. The next step is that we're going to tell people that if they want more information, they can have access to a free masterclass. So I'm going to go to my ClickFunnels account and copy this link, which is the funnel for the Freedom Accelerator course, and I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to click here on post. We answered this question for the make money online niche. Now let me show you a website in which you can find many products for many niches. So here we have for the health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, new age, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine. Using the power of ChatGPT, you can promote as many products as you want. You just need to click here on promote, create hub link, and if someone buy through this link, you can earn an affiliate marketing commission. Even though I suggest to you that you build your own funnel so you can collect the lead and then send the offer through email. For creating funnels, I use ClickFunnels, and for email marketing, I use GetResponse. If you find any value on this video, please subscribe to my channel. The purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time income online. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.